SPC flooring is a new type of flooring that has many advantages over traditional flooring. One of the most popular series of SPC flooring is the wood grain series, which can create a natural, simple, and warm style for your home. Our company, Flooring, is proud to introduce our wood grain SPC flooring with the type number S9008. This product has a light wood color that matches well with any furniture and decor. The size of each plank is 1220 mm * 184 mm * 4 mm, which is easy to install and maintain. Our wood grain SPC flooring sells well in many markets because of its high quality, durability, and affordability. We also offer OEM and ODM services to meet your specific needs. Our wood grain SPC flooring is produced by our own factory, which ensures the consistency and reliability of our products. If you are looking for a new flooring option that can enhance the beauty and comfort of your home, please contact us today and we will be happy to provide you with more information and samples.